If you have questions or you're daring enough to do this process, I would advise you to do your research and trust your instincts. I would not advise somebody who has long hair to bleach their own hair. I used volume 30 and it comes with, that's more kit by Manic Panic, comes with everything. So yeah, I don't see what else. Yeah, and if you have questions, leave them on the, what is it called? Comment section. I'll leave details in the description box about the product and all the products I've used so far. How the hair feels, it's still the same texture I had before, but a bit harder now. But me, as long as my hair is still standing, then I don't care. I did research on internet, popped into a few beauty shops that sell bleach and color. I also watched a few videos of black girls who have bleached their hair with natural hair and short natural hair and mostly fussy hair, because I noticed that sometimes the curl pattern interferes with the application process, because as you know our hair like bounces, it's like a spring shrinkage. So I did the few research and then went and ordered for color in one of the stores. And then I think because of the Black Friday, it never got here on time. So I canceled that order. I've never gotten my money back, but yeah, the process is longer. Then I went to the shop, another physical shop, the same shop, and bought the hair color. And then I colored my hair on 6th December. Funny enough, that's the same date in July that I cut off my hair. I don't know how it rhymed. You know, that week I had so many mishaps of going to buy color and it's not happening. So that was very weird that I was actually able to do it on the 6th. Anyway, so far the hair has really is already growing back, as you can see. There's already, like, you can see the black hair coming back, which means that's a good thing, right? I have trimmed the hair since the top. The sides I always shave it every month, but on top, I would say that after coloring, I noticed that the hair was too long. It was getting too long, and since the curl pattern also, like, it didn't change, but it was looser, and so anytime I would moisturize the hair would start falling on my face, and that was really annoying. So I did my usual home trimming process. I have a video on that either on IGTV or on YouTube. And then I chopped off like with scissors. But I plan to do a better job with a machine with time, because I'm not planning to keep this hair like this for a long time. I'm just experimenting. And so the process was very easy. The first time I did it on the 6th, I colored it. I did the application in 30 minutes. Then after 30 minutes, I covered the hair with the plastic cap and everything. And I think I waited for about 1 hour, and then I checked. Then I stayed for another half an hour, and then I was like, okay, I'm too tired. And so I rinsed it off, and it was the brass yellow. You know that yellow that you don't want? But actually just had a 48-hour gap between the two bleaching process. So on Friday, I bleached the first one. On Saturday, I had an event. I wore a wig. And then on Sunday, what did I do? I applied a lot of castor oil on my scalp, and then I bleached it again. I divided up the bleach. The packet, I think I'll show you the photo. It has like, I just made it into half. With a weighing machine, I just divided the portions into half, and that made it easier for me to have two applications with one packet, because my hair is not a lot, and I thought I didn't want to waste a lot of money on this process, because it was a try and error. If it failed, I would have just cut everything off, but it didn't, and thank God it didn't fail. And no, yeah. So after, okay, we've done the process on Saturday. It become yellow. Then on Sunday, we are doing the castor oil. I did this to protect my scalp, especially on the side and also on the top part of my head. So that really helped, because also it didn't because sometimes I could, when you used to have relaxer in your hair and you could feel some tingle. I could feel some tingle, but I was like, fuck it. Oh, sorry for that. I was like, okay, whatever. I'm just gonna like ignore it. But but I knew my scalp wouldn't be damaged because I had virgin hair, so there was no processing. So I wasn't so scared, and I was like, if anything happens, I would just like shave it like scalp clean. What I did this time is I started on the tip because that's where the hair was very blassy. The bottom was like grandma white, platinum. They call it platinum blonde, but I call it grandma white. And so when I started on top, because my hair is very like coarse, it takes time to like apply the whole thing. And then after and I was also avoiding to touch my scalp very early in the process. So I applied on the whole, on the top without touching the scalp. Then just before I set out to like put a shower cap, I now, no, that first application, I just let it sit for 1 hour. And then afterwards, I came back and smoothed it out so it can now like go down, like blend, like, yote, all of it. And after I did that, I put on the shower cap, but I started noticing some tingling sensation. So I removed the shower cap because I thought, hey, this shower cap is just like cooking me up more. So I removed that, and I think I stayed for total between reapplying the second time to me washing it out. I think I stayed for another 1 hour, and I was very scared. I was like kept on pulling my hair just to see it not falling out because I saw videos on Instagram where people are like their hair fell out, and I was like, no, 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 that should not be me. So at least that I was very safe. And I did a protein treatment with Afuji protein treatment. I did that, and I also used the first day I used the silver shampoo, and I didn't see so much change. So since I went back and bought L'Oreal purple shampoo because that was the only like affordable. The other ones were way expensive and huge bottles, and I didn't think I'm gonna use that whole bottle because I rarely wash my hair, shampoo my hair. So I bought a small bottle. I think it was 150 or 200 ml. Yeah, and that really helped with the yellowing. Also, it really like calmed it down. I don't know. I think it's the color codes. Like if you mix yellow and purple, it just like calms down. But the second application, it wasn't that yellow. So at least then, yes. What can I say? What more can I say about this? So far, it's been on Friday. It was 2 weeks. Yes, it was 2 weeks since I applied. So 2 weeks. Yeah, today's Monday. So yeah, 2 weeks. And so far, we can say that in January I'll have to like do my usual. I bought a shaving machine because this is all about trial and error, trying out everything with my hair and seeing how I'll succeed. I have to say that this time round I'm very, very, very like proud of myself because I did it. I did a good job, and so far I have not had hair falling out. It's just the usual shedding, like hair falls out every day and every minute. So, but there's no like wazimu, like crazy hair shedding or fallout or like a chunk falling out. Now also I moisturize every day when I go in the shower. I don't wear a cap, but I sleep in a bonnet, so I let my hair get some moisture, and then when I get out of the shower, I mist it with water and then apply leave-in condition. I don't always put oil, but once in a while, I'll put oil on top, just one kind. If I start with one oil on Sunday, for example, I'll keep up with the oil until the next wash day. I don't mix up in between. I also stopped oiling my scalp, and I've noticed that I don't get dry skin or dandruff. So that's another thing. Learned a lot on the internet. And what else? Yeah. 2019 was a daring year with my hair. From like I had hair up to here and then zoops. Yeah, so thank you so much for watching, and I hope you stick around to watch the process. It's like 8 minutes, but if you want you can fast forward it. But see you around, see you. Thanks.